So guys, how are you doing today? So there is a personal blog video, the third one. So let's get to it. As usual, I will have YouTube opened. Okay, so first of all, I need to change something right here. Like as you can see here, this test video in OBS. I want to configure it with application-wise. This is brief. How to configure audio capture on OBS per window basis. And I won't get a good detail, I believe. Application on the capture guide. Oh yeah, here it is. Hello. Mm-hmm. Now, this studio source, click the plus to add a new source. Choose the window capture game of show. Okay. Then click audio capture data. Let's see. Browser, which is the browser. Let's see what's capture first. Windows. Let's just agree. Okay. Settings. Yeah, it doesn't show here. As fuck. Yeah, I forgot to read one thing. Nice. Kilometer version is very discuss something. Version of the series and activation for the just version does not have the mix. You can zoom capture plugin. Always zoom capture camera. How to install energy and you can see the specific social assurance or regulation. Okay, let's see. We have video capture, jack input line to image, audio output capture, audio capture device. What do you want? Okay, let's see what is this. Okay, okay, that work. So wait. What? How to install the plugin first place and capture? And capture. I just looking at was capture. Yeah, no, this video with I haven't done it. As I activate audio interface, anything like audio back versus sleep, yeah, this is vision. Just every text vector shows first version date. I mean, technically speaking, I'm going to show you here. Like, there's like, okay, no audio is going right. Let's see here. Let's go here. You can see here, like, there's already an audio channel different. Like when I speak, see this bar goes up. So in Linux, it's already configured to be that way. I just need to be able to access it and configure it with OBS. As you know, there is the troubleshooting part. This works on Windows. It doesn't even work on OBS. Let's just Google this shit. Let's just watch a YouTube video. Watch. As you have to channel the area of multi-track, so that part would be already set up stack on the full source. Thank you. Thanks, also, is a variant. Others. I think we should try to see. How. Yeah, thank you. Good job. This video is license located to one license. Okay. Wait, your licensing. Can I include that? You are free to share, copy, and use the material in media format. Purpose app. Okay, thank God. I mean, I'm not a big channel really, but I just don't want to be fucking strike down. Doing so use about all to the some issues of I should have been why this is and why people is this. Oh my God. Okay, he shouldn't have gone to the he shouldn't have just kept the because they didn't release you. No, definitely there was a question for OBS Pro using PipeWire, OBS PipeWire. This plugin has three sources capture for the PipeWire requirements, wire plumber, PipeWire 3.6 English is highly recommended for plugin to be able to capture application PipeWire should set up and handle the system for most PipeWire APIs. They should do now, but they will expire which let's check. Installation, get the Linux PipeWire audio version attach it. Okay, from the resist, okay. Wire plumber installation. Ninja C build. Oh, fuck no. Maybe it might be very bad. This is, but, uh, there is some kind of wire plumber. Maybe I have to repo, I think. Let's see. So there's the premise there. Wire plumber. Not to be password. Yo, wire plumber is already installed. Perfect. Amazing. That's why I like OpenSUSE. I mean, sometimes they're really good, you know. Like Azure speaking, OpenSUSE implementation of new technology, especially on Android, is exceptional good. And I mean, it's not like they're just trying to make it work, but they're just thinking ahead, like into the future, and also building in the other features which someone might need. Though those are not necessarily completely dependent features, like you don't need them to run the operating system or then have an issue with that. But just building function, how do I say, additional functionality for users so they don't have to do so much bullshit. I mean, for let me tell you the truth. Like for most of the dependencies, like for other applications which people need, like like baby development application for like some language or something, most of the time the requirements they required are already pre-installed, and it's just the upper level applications that need to be installed really. Notice for OBS suite of Flatpak users. The regular one working flag, yeah. No, the one with the flag and then one please also use reading for the bar. Am I using OBS in Flatpak or something? Let me see. I'm not okay, let's just check it somewhere. Um, okay, not that, not that. Yes, plus. Some shift clear. CV no slash dot where slash app slash dash s the OBS. Not thankfully, thank God. Because I'm not doing OBS with Flatpak. Okay, listen. Not the Flatpak. Listen, so it's hair zips. Five members already in silver. Say the damage to what else? What else? What else? Home slash conflict slash okay. Excuse me. First of all, yeah, I should also write down the message so I can link rather than the description. Which is no. This is a link which I want to be using. What else? Yeah, I want to have this resume. Down the references first. So that should be enough. That's it. Um, yeah, he's a nice guy. Okay, who is it? Let's see his channel first. Special service. Uh, you don't need AI for that. It's just a fucking algorithm. You're not creating something for like even that won't be AI. But let me just give you an example, bro. Uh, if you create something from nothing, then you can say that's technically made by AI. But the behind the technology isn't really AI. Really, it's just what do I say? What do you say that in Linux? Linux said it once. Uh, Autocomplete on steroids. Basically, it's just that, nothing special. So you're just reconfiguring your actual voice into something else that can be done with a simple algorithm. Wait, what is that? That can be done with a simple algorithm. It's not really a big deal, really. Okay. Yeah, everything just AI, AI. Let's learn. Let's see. Just a person for personal projects. Yeah, I know that. Though this guy's, as you can see here, he has a relatively few followers with 3 videos. SoundCloud, support him. Oh, he has everything settled already. Yeah, that's good. I'm not even his level. Like not in the YouTube section, I guess. So I was down to right. Let's go there. File. Compressed rate. Here it is. Extract here. Let's see the instructions. Okay. Little paragraph and package. Set the archive and slash config. Okay. This is config, right? Okay. Let's config, Control X. Go to home, go to this, we call config, go to OBS, go to the plugin config, I think, then we paste it. So do I need to close OBS now? Because I'm not going to close OBS. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Okay, this is amazing. Like he said it like because I was a little bit confused here. But I know you won't be like many data like it will be in the folder itself. But this is the guy is amazing. Like like telling the back check correctly, so you might be confused. Like let's see here. Like maybe you might need to just copy these two and put them here, not into this folder. You don't need a folder. Let's see. Oh fuck. Is there a way to uh, it is Nigerian client? Is that device default? Okay, yes. Man, I don't want to add the two videos. It's going to take forever to render. What should I do? Shit. Settings, tools, doc, file, show recording, settings, select your profile folder, undo delete. Yeah, also derivatives. What is this? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, wait a second. I saw something there. What's this track 1, 2, and 3, and 4? Uh, let's see. Well, let's see if the audio comes here. Close. Yes, I mean, this server is not designed to interact and will be available. Listen to sign all these things. Okay, okay, okay. This is really. Oh, it's yeah, it's coming. As you can see here, like when the bar was coming, so right now this is really not sure. Okay, that was not the thing. And we are back. Let's see if it works. Uh, and it fucking does not work. I don't know what the fuck. Let's just watch the guys do it the full way. And maybe this one just separate.
Only in beta and only available on
Oh
Windows.
yeah, shit.
However,
The
you can
video
get
was
an
moved
OBS
before,
plugin that
right?
allows you
Oh
to
fuck.
individually capture an application's audio on Linux. This is useful for adjusting volume of each application, separating applications into separate tracks, or just isolating the audio you want to capture, regardless of your distribution folder. You can get to it by clicking File, Settings folder inside OBS. There's one more step. You need to get to it by clicking File, Settings folder inside OBS.
Wait, I can just save it actually. Was it on plugins? Maybe the folder was wrong. Okay, let's go here. OBS. Oh shit. Okay, testing is my fault. Plugins. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see on the GitHub page actually. Yeah, it's okay. I'm a mess. Yeah, OGINS. Yeah, OGINS. Okay. So do I have it now? Hello. Not here. I I can also load another link to Phobias, right? Yeah, launch anyway. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, here it is. Application audio. Single application. Config you can have multiple application. Capture all application except selected. Fuck. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, that's why I fucking love Linux. I mean, you hate it and trying a problem like I was fucking hating it, but like once you get working. Okay, I'm back. It is. Yes, yes, yes. Let's configure it. Uh-huh. Capture all apps except the selected. Single application. Let's go with multiple application. Match by executable name. Fall back to app name. Correct. Absolutely. Select Zen. I guess. Ah, shit. Um, select your apps. Application. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here it is. It's already. That's good. Add selection. Delete the selection. Add section. Yeah. Fuck. Amazing. Oh, this is what I don't mean. Vice primary exam. Okay. Let's see that. Hello. Uh, well, hello. Okay, yeah. Now. Okay, now my audio is coming. What the fuck happened? Okay, I think I think I just messed up some setting here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I think I might need to capture all apps except the selected. Am I solving the are selected? Warehouse. Let's just go into single application. Application is done. Okay, let's see. Hello? Hello? Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, that was a desktop audio. Shit, my bad. Okay, let's see here. What if I play this song?
So I hold on.
Oh, I just usually move the volume, so it's coming back. Okay, please. Fuck. Let's just open a fucking YouTube. That's better. I just want to get copy strikes for some motherfucking video. Let's go here. AMD defeats a PC
Forget
game.
your CUDA
Fuck you. I will do the fucking
standard for value. RDNA 3 changed the game,
Yeah,
building on the momentum of RDNA.
yeah. Okay, the rest of the stuff. Okay, okay. Okay, so now if I play here. Yeah, but he's not recording anything. Capture all save, accept the selected. What is the select Brave? It doesn't work. It did not work. Yes, I profile maybe. Track 1, 2, bar. No, no, it's at all. Match by happening, fallback to solution. Yeah, match by happening, fallback to solution at the side. Okay. Properties for the capture. Capture all app except selected name. Capture all selected app. Okay, let's also see if it's Zen. Yeah, no, it's not. Man, the happiness goes away again. There's no happen. Jack shit. Uh, let's go to the video. Question the numbers. I'm doing this how straightforward and down the message of this video. The amount of items actually does flawlessly, sometimes with quite a full video. That's also true. Okay. Let's just maybe. Yes. What's this thing? Let's go here. Wait. Let's go down. Okay. Maybe something in the settings. Oh, it doesn't work. Wait, what if the problem is with Flatpaks? Which application is there that doesn't have Flatpak? Let's put a video there. What should we do there? Do you have any videos? Let's see. Go from. Oh yeah, let's put a video on. Let's play ourselves. Okay. Let's see here. Mm, where's MVP here? We chose MVP. Okay. That isn't gonna work again. Capture accept MVP. Let's go break them. Yeah. Oh fuck me. Fuck. And now this fucking I don't know what's the fucking problem with MVP. Like whenever I open something, like it doesn't close properly. Like it just freezes and it's tremors. Yeah. Shit. And yeah, anyways, enough with the application. Maybe some other time I'll do it or whatever. Fuck it. I just manually on and off. I guess. Let's play some decent song in the first place. Oh, it's here. Really? Well, I'm still sleeping. See Spotify advertisement here. You can see here. Like they're trying to show me an ad of moment of silence something. Your music will continue after the ad. They're writing something here. See this here. Your music will continue after the break. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bitches. I mean, I just fucking love to screw people when they want to screw me. Like Spotify, the ads on Spotify is like it's too much, bro. It's literally too much. And you know what they do? Like whenever I use Spotify on my mobile phone, which is like extremely rarely, like whenever I play the first song will play. Then when it comes to the second song, they'll show me an ad and say that after watching this ad, you'll get 30 minutes of free playtime with no ads or something. It's just their fucking tactic to they know because I haven't used Spotify for a long time. So that's why they just target me out there by giving 30 minutes without ads. And that basically means that an average user doesn't even get 30 minutes of playtime without fucking seeing an ad. I mean, it's more like 5 minutes playtime. So I don't know how they do the algorithm, but the algorithm is kind of configured in a way so this the algorithm is kind of configured in a way that if you like close the app when there are too many ads, the number of ads stops. But like they just keep on testing you, like to see a breaking point. Like they'll keep on showing you ad more, then more, then more, and they won't like the algorithm will see how much can it tolerate. And for most people, they just get in a habit of tolerating ads really. So the algorithm really pushes hard. Once they know that you can fucking tolerate ads again and again and again, they fucking push you very hard. I mean, personally, like for my music on on my phone, I use Prime Music, which completely ad free and is a really good alternative to Spotify, considering I have Amazon Prime. So I use that one. Like, so there are no ads in that, and there actually all the songs are there. Like, there's not a big deal really. So the main issue with Prime is actually, there is no. Yeah, the main issue with Prime is there are less Japanese songs than I would expect. Like, not even less Japanese songs. Like, the popular ones are there. Like, most of the popular ones are there. The anime songs, like which Spotify has, like that's just because of Spotify has a bigger community. I mean, once Amazon Prime gets a bigger community, it will get better, and it is kind of getting better. So yeah, so I don't use Spotify on my phone at all. I would use Spotify on my phone because technically all my music library all is on Spotify, but the ads is a bullshit thing, and I'm not willing to pay any money for that. I don't give a fuck. I mean, once Spotify shuts down, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, frankly, I seriously don't give a fuck. Like if every other person in the world just starts using ad blockers and not going to. And also, and that's just like recently, like before, I would have like, okay, like they're giving a service, I should pay for it. But like recently, the changes they've made to the application, like you can't go back, like you can't enable shuffle. There's a smart shuffle for some reason, some bullshit reason. I mean, there are like a lot of bullshits going on there. And frankly, and that was my breaking point with Spotify really. Like you can't even let me fucking shuffle my music, my playlist, and you can't even let me go back to the previous music I played. Then fuck you, bro. I don't want to service. I'll fucking exploit you. Want to exploit me now? I will fucking exploit you. Anyways, that's enough rant about that. Let's change the song. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah, this is the one. And yeah, just a clarification, like why people are saying like I'm trying so much on like I have multiple videos to edit, because the last time I did I was just trying the last person video blog. It was an hour long, I think. Yeah, it was an hour long, and like I was just editing a small part. Like I just muted like 1 to 2 minutes of it and moved half a minute from the entire 1 hour, and then I rendered it. It fucking took an hour plus to just render the complete file. Like there was barely any edit done on it. I fucking hardware, bruh. It's not. It's not like it's not even. enough level, like basic functionality. Thankfully, I'm running Linux that it can at least run smoothly. Otherwise, if the main reason I switched to Linux in the first place, there were practically two main reasons. One was Windows 11 was bullshit, and another was my computer wouldn't run. My laptop wouldn't run properly on Windows, like smoothly. Like in Windows 10, like I have to depload the Windows. There was a script in Windows 10. There was called some Windows 10 deblock or something. I would use a script. It's a PowerShell script. I would use that script to fucking like disable most of the background noise, like most, like not entirely. And that was my basically way of being able to use Windows. Otherwise, it won't work properly. I mean, the apps would crash. It would like struggle. It would buffer, fuck or whatever. It was bullshit. I mean, let me show you my hardware. About system. I have 8 cores, i5, like i5 10G. I mean, it's mobile processor 1 gigahertz, but still. At the time, I had 8 gigabytes of RAM. I have internal processor and I have a discrete processor as well, and the GPU. So it shouldn't be that hard actually. And this is the first time that I've seen here showing discrete processor. Fuck, man. That's why I fucking love Linux, especially OpenSUSE. I've not seen a better distribution than OpenSUSE as we had. Let's see, how many have I used? I've used Fedora, I have used Ubuntu, I have used Kubuntu, I've used Pop! OS, I have used Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is it's a completely different distro. It's on in the competitors. I've not used Debian, I've not used Linux Mint. I don't plan to. I mean, they just talk Ubuntu really, nothing big different. Or I'm just saying though, like Ubuntu just talk Debian really. Yeah, what else? Which of the decision I've used? Ubuntu server, yeah, Ubuntu live server I've used. Elementary yeah, I've tried elementary I've tried Zorin OS a little bit. Like the amount of stability with KD desktop that I've seen in this system is next level, bro. Uptime. I've been uptime for up to 1 day basically. I did an update yesterday, so I rebooted system. Well, even then. Sudo zipper day update. Let's see if there's any update for those. Where am I? I'm telling you, I fucking upgraded it yesterday on yesterday, day before yesterday. And see here, there's 417 and it's 418. I mean, like literally, you see here, this is 417, this is 418. And I'm getting new 4 packages. They're removing 3 packages. 3 and 3 packages are to be upgraded, 4 new and 3 to removed. And these are all Nvidia. Like see here, Nvidia compute, Nvidia driver, Nvidia video. I mean, this is the first time like I had my share set of problems with Nvidia on Linux here, but like now, even like before a month before also, I was having a bit of problem with Nvidia really, but for some reason now it just works out of the box with the VLAN. I mean, I'm not even talking about XO, I'm talking about VLAN here. I use VLAN. Like before it was to work on Xog only. Like in VLAN there was no fucking way, and that's why the primary reason I used to use VLAN really because my graphics card would work, and that's why I stayed with VLAN for so long. And it was fucking hassle to use VLAN, not VLAN Xog, sorry. It's a fucking hassle to use Xog. You know why? I'm just yes there, and I was asking for my agree to with NVIDIA license. Yeah, I'll agree. Fuck it. Yeah, where is it? Where the fuck am I? Okay, here it is. Yeah. Mainly there was something called touch KDE or 2J KDE. Yeah, I recently deleted a config file of it as well. Yeah, here's it 2J KDE. So this is basically a script or whatever I say. It's basically an application to have gestures like this kind of gestures enabled in Xorg. As Xorg doesn't have touchpad gestures. This was a fucking hassle. Then I have to manually install the NVIDIA drivers also, which was another fucking hassle. Like it was a fucking fuckery, and now it's gotten to the point like in a few, like maximum a year or something. Nvidia support has been great, good. Like see here, these are all Nvidia X11, Nvidia Wayland, Compute, GL. This complete stack is upgraded. And most of and I've been using OpenSUSE for around 2 years, I think, yeah. And there's only been once that my system break. That was OpenSUSE's fault. It was something a problem with Kevin. Kevin had a bug and it was packaged in the repository, which made me reinstall OpenSUSE twice. Once the install didn't work still, then I had to restore off. Then I figured out that that same problem is on the restore as well. Then I came back to OpenSUSE and found out I just need to downgrade the application. I mean, that was a complete lack of skill on my part, because I could have troubleshooted instead of just dropping it like prematurely. But this is the only ones I had to complain about OpenSUSE, like for stability wise. Otherwise, the package availability is a bit of a problem, but that's not OpenSUSE fault primarily. I mean, you can't blame them for it. It's just what it is. I got to know about. Let me tell you a fun story actually. That's what me too. Yeah. Mhm. The world's experiment, ethno ecosystem. Experiment. Yes, you can fit it. Yeah, this video here. First I used to use Ubuntu. Like for starting, I just use Ubuntu. Then I started following Linux YouTubers, as you know. That's the only way you actually learn Linux. Like primarily, I learned from YouTube, Linux mostly. And I just watch video like web health interest and just keep watching and just understand what's the concepts. So Nick here, I started following him. Like it was a good channel for starting, and it still is a good channel. So he switched over to Fedora like some years ago, and he fucking loved it, and he made videos about it, and I agreed with the things he said. I also want to try it out. So then I switched over to Fedora. So when I switched over to Fedora, I didn't realize it. Like in Ubuntu, like my Nvidia drivers were pre-installed. Like they were pre-configured mostly. Fedora they weren't pre-configured, and but I couldn't tell that it wasn't pre-configured. It's just that like what do you see here? The integrated graphics does work completely fine with our Nvidia. Uh, the thing is that they don't crash though, but it takes more time. Like there's more buffering. Like there's a backend like small latency problems which you won't see in regular use. I mean, it's not like a problem which you can identify. It just it's a like something which you can't see, but it's just there. There was that kind of problem. So that's the problem I had with Fedora, but I didn't realize it. Like at the time, I didn't realize it really. So I just went with it for an year or something, I think. Yeah, it was a year or something, I think. Yeah, and then like when there, like then there are always videos for Nvidia and Fed when it's Nvidia, like really when it's Nvidia. So there, like I learned that you have to install drivers, etc. So like there's tricks I still use. Like I'll show you. This Nick taught me, I think. Slash, what was that? Brave colon slash GPU. As you can see here, this just basically shows if your browser is using video encoding, like video decode. It should be hardware accelerated. Like if I didn't have my NVIDIA driver installed, then this won't be hardware accelerated. It will be just software only. Like the video encode is software only, and that's the video encode is software only. That's the primary reason why it takes so much long to render videos on this laptop in the first place. This web series. I mean, this was just a basically a small way to know if your GPUs are working properly. And then I saw it and it wasn't. So I then tinkered with Fedora for a long bit, and then I understood something about Fedora. Fedora does not include any kind of third-party what do I say, software at all. I'm not saying about including. I mean, like when you upgrade, they can just ask if you want to agree with the licenses. I mean, it's primarily a license for all, but you can just agree with the licenses. Like I agreed here with, what was that? I like agreed here with Nvidia, right? License work. Yeah, this I agreed with his there. Like see here, everything yes. So I agree there. Like they could do that, but they don't want to, cause Frank, because the main thing Fedora is this like a fucking playground for a row. It's just fucking a playground for developing technologies for row really. They don't really care about the user experience. They primarily don't care about. They just need fucking guinea pigs. They're not in the business of making a distro for users. They're in the business of using users for making a distribution with a Linux enterprise distribution which is raw. That's the truth about it. Like they don't see what the people require. The primary priority is what's better for their fucking development. Though like if you have though they are not like that bad as well. If you have relatively, if you have AMD hardware, that's good enough. And if you don't plan on using third-party codexes, like this is the thing you need to do in every single distribution. You need to install third-party codexes. Like those are really required to serve the web properly. They don't support that as well. You have to do it by yourself manually, and that's a fucking problem. So that's a problem in most of the distributions, but most distributions make it easy to add. Fedora doesn't do that. So then I got fucking sick of Fedora. Then I was starting to watch this person. Saying this Matt, right? Yeah, name is Matt. The next guy asked, OpenSUSE. Yeah, he uses challenges, like to use distribution or something. It depends which bench to specific time. And he uses OpenSUSE and he said things about it and I liked the way things he was saying. And then I installed OpenSUSE. By the way, installing OpenSUSE is really hard. It's not easy. But install is good, like if you know what you're doing. But if you don't know what you're doing, it is relatively hard to proceed, and you might get stuck. Like, because you need to have experience installing OpenSUSE again and again to actually understand the install completely. Otherwise, you should read the documentation properly, which no one does really. So then I followed this guy. He started using OpenSUSE. Then I ported over to OpenSUSE number lead, and then I looked back. I never fucking looked back. And the one main complaint that he had and that I also have, like I somewhat have, though not completely, is that zipper is slow. Like the zipper, the package manager with OpenSUSE uses is really slow. As you can see here, I mean, yeah, it hasn't downloaded the packages required really, and these are like see here. This is 60 kilobyte package, kilobyte. I don't fucking remember megabyte or something like. I don't know how to pronounce. I might be megabyte or something. Maybe. Oh, I've got fucking. Come on, brother. Fucking AI bitches. GI. Gigabyte, megabyte. It should be megabyte now. I don't know. I forget. Like these are big packages, and if I was using apps, for example, then this would have been already installed completely. I have no problem with that. Just leave it there. I mean, it's going to do it. Let's just do it. Let it do it. Why should I care? So that's so I don't have a problem with it. But there's a good thing about it. There's a good thing. Like I really like Zipper. Like it doesn't break anything. The dependencies, everything is really great. Like all the dependencies it has, like all the dependencies it has, like it doesn't break software easily. It never really does. I mean, if you try to do something, let me show you. Yes. And I won't be able to use fucking S because this is installing shit. Oh fuck, I'll update later on. It's switching right, yeah. Yeah. Let me see here, like I try to exit it. It says abort, retry, or ignore. Whatever. Oh, I was on terminal. Let's go yes, software management. User to Let's go here, Nvidia. For example, if it's negative. See here, like I tried to delete this package. Let me just cancel this cancel for once. Plus, exit. See here, like this is a basic NVIDIA package, for example. I'm trying to relate it. The install NVIDIA GL requires NVIDIA, but this requirement can be provided. I mean, basically another package requires this package, but this can be provided. So there's a conflict here. So see, it's give you fucking options. Number one, I can zoom so you guys can read properly. Number one, like you need to resolve conflict, right? Number one, just for you just downgrade or deinstall the application which require it. So basically, you won't have an issue with it if you really want to do it. Number two, just keep it. If you don't really install it, like if you're just checking if you can install it or something like that, if you can just keep it, it's giving you the option. And number three, break the dependencies. It's fucking clear. It's fucking decisive. It's giving you options. You don't need to search for how to do that. Like for example, normally you just they'll say there's a conflict and they'll say, do you want to proceed or no? I mean, give the person an option now. If like there's a problem, then what should he do? And this is not hard. Like it's not even saying it's not even you can see here, it's not deinstalling every single application. Like if there is a previous version application which doesn't require the dependencies at the moment, it's downgrading that to that, and which require completely data, it's reinstalling that. And I'll just keep because I don't want to break my fucking operating system for no fucking reason. I'm going to cancel here. Close again. I don't need to break shit. And let's just start the update again. And you might think I just wasted some time. No, not really. I'll show you why. Yes. You can see here this in cache. I mean that software if I was not installing anything, we just download it, retrieving it from the server. That's why I canceled. I closed it. So the things which is downloaded are already in the cache, so I need to worry about it, and which are not like it's downloading and it's back to where it was. That's an amazing thing, really. I must think about it. Okay, how long has this been going? What? I think this is already an hour gone by. Shit. I know not even. I was going to do something. Yeah, I was going to create a Twitch account. I was going to create a Twitch account for. Let's just close this. What was it? I need to create a Twitch account so I can fucking live stream this shit. I'm trying actually. I'm not sure if I might be able to do it or not completely, but you know, we should try new things. Twitch. Well, before Twitch, let's just see. Streaming. Why is it put alternative on? Alternative to fire. Well, I like this one really. What else are there? Okay, let's go. What the fuck? Twitch. Here we go. What is this? Gunum Twitch? What the fuck is this? Shit. Let's see here. Let's see what's on this in the first place. Contest. This is the first I heard of. What is this? What's this? Okay, there's a girl with phone. Oh, whatever. YouTube. Yeah, okay. YouTube. Okay. Odyssey. Okay. Oncast. Is supposed to know. DY. No, I heard a service. It was Rumble. Rumble. I think. Let's just search. Rumble is the rights management platform. Hosts distribute monetize all the professional social viral videos. Oh, how do you monetize it then? Let's see. Way to shine show, way to string up. Okay. What the fuck? It's proprietary, right? Let me show you guys something, if you won't mind. Do you see some similarities here? Do you actually see some similarities here? Like this is the oh, fuck, fuck. So that's what's been going on. Motherfucker, shit. This entire user phase, this looks like Odyssey in my mind, because this is what Odyssey used to look like before. Like, that's the fucking truth. This is what Odyssey used to look like. Like, completely same. But now it's changed. And this change, I think, only happened when the open source initiative orders that was behind Odyssey like got sold out because of some bullshit or something. I'm telling you, this is based on Odyssey, or like something which whatever Odyssey is based on. But this is fucking completely based on Odyssey. I can guarantee you, that is my fucking guarantee. Mhm. Odyssey. Well, this search versus. Yeah, yeah, let's go here. I might find some older videos. Like, let's go here. Okay, this is old one. Let's do something, I think. Thanks for fucking Odyssey on. Fuck. Okay, yeah, I should have done that only. I'm telling you. No, I don't know how, but like for some fucking reason, for some, I don't know what fucking reason it is. Like I think this remote company platform is based on Odyssey. Like it's you copying some code from there. It's completely fine for it. I'm so fucking sure it's company for copying there. Let's see, it's personal blog. However, fuck it. I'm just going to use search. I never use search. Like I'm doing it as a personal thing. And, I mean, I now see the point of it because I have so much free time. But before, like, there was enough content for me to consume on. But now there's just not enough. There's nothing left. Let's sign up. By the way, wait a minute. I want to be creator. Twitch creator dashboard something. Yeah, sign up. Okay, so I can control underscore AK. This username is unavailable. Which motherfucker is using this username? Here, here. Okay. Underscore. This is the new video of heritage. Can all change it later, really? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I use hashtag? No. How about if I'm just control? I'm based on that. AK. No, I go to underscore. So yeah, whatever. And then for password, here we have this is something called Bitwarden, which I have made videos about, and for which reason I always say write the wrong password again and again. Because in one browser I have a different password, in another browser I have a different password, because I'm fucking idiot and to let you change the passwords. Anyways, let's generate the password. 128, include everything, copy, and we paste. And that's why I was there was 72. I mean, the size will say the password should be 72. Only say that because they want to fucking hack you. Like not now, but later on they just want to hack me. Otherwise, there's no reason that it shouldn't be more than it shouldn't be on 28. That's the industry standard only. What the fuck is wrong with this? It is 72. Fuck you. Oh, not even 72. It should be shorter than 72. Yeah, that's the main point. Right? 72 would be harder than 71 is acceptable. A month. I should build that out, shouldn't I? Yeah, I'll just, yeah, I will end, what am I saying? I'll fake date of birth. Because I just do that for every single account anyways. Mm, let's see which year. 2025, right? So I should go to plus like minimum. Um, let's go to 26 for now. So phone number, use email instead, and the email is, let's see, so let's confirm. This is the email. We have to copy the username, enter, we write that like proton.me, yay, and now we add a new login for Twitch. Username control underscore again, password, pass copy, let's save, not now, yay, not now, bro. Verification code, let's go to my dot, okay, to this one tab that, let's open the other profile, goes fuck me if I haven't used something properly. Let's log in. For this, I need to log an account. And this is the password shall respect, right? Let's check again. Log in here. Shit. Fire! Fire, fire! No love. 274 383. Okay. 274 383. For some reason, I can remember a string of number really easily, like if I've just seen it. Employee used to share clips. Sure. Hello. How did you? Let's go. Let's go. Stream manager. Is the gallery who you want to? Got it. Wow. This is something. Go to Create Camp, starting by going live now. Yeah, I want to upload my profile pic. My profile pic. These are the wallpaper which come up, and we go here, then we go here, then we go here, and we go here, then we go this, and then we wait, and then we have it. Like there is no way to tune in, schedule a next stream, no. Add links to your social media, add links, sure. Link title, YouTube, add link here, link right there, one link. Let's go to youtube.com. Wait a second. Oh yeah. And now I need to do something again. I need to open another browser. By the way, I opened four Windows browser right now. Let's go to YouTube. I'm not really sure. And there we have it's completely installed. I just need to restart. What is this? The purpose of this program that allows this this should be restarted for benefit of this. Okay. How long has it been? 41 minutes? Sure, who cares? Wait, this is on Prime? Fuck. I have to do that. Let's go, view a channel, copy, paste, and where should we go to like this? So is that added? Oh, I have can add more. Let's go to Instagram. Fuck, oh, I need the passwords. It is exported out. So here we go. Copy username, copy passwords, paste. Let's go to profile. That's on profile. So let's just do here. Uh, QR code. Let's see if that works in the first place. Yeah, it works. So let's go here. Instagram. And the link. And next we go to Pixel Fan. Hello Pixel Fan, how to do bruh? And here you want to log in, and you might be thinking like login in before. Liberal does not technically save, what do I say? Save cookies and the extension, whatever that is. I forgot. So I need to like manually say that. Don't forget on this page. Let me see here. Liberal always store cookies and data for this site and to enable that. So she showed you by the water fountain. Does she love him? Does she love him? Oh, it's insane. I never could understand this song completely for some reason. It's getting kind of blurry at a quarter past 10. And he was in a hurry to be touching her skin. She's feeling very dirty when she's dancing with him. But she's by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her hips, her in. I don't know, is this some anti shit or something? You know, let's do this. Let's read. Where is he? Yeah. Because, okay, it made a film only. Acha, she was too young, so you were also too young, so what? On the fountain for us, why? She was in love. She was in love with him. So she's gonna, bro. I fucking know he's hating my personal favorite song. So basically, he's saying he lost the girl, right? She ever goes back to the water fountain, yeah, then the handle will be broken. Oh, I'll try to give it. Okay, it's only a wish. What is a wish? Okay, how are we doing now? Like if you say, like when she'll go back, like you're doing that also. You're doing that also. What the fuck happened? Yeah, it was okay. So I'm going home. That she's not time because there's a alone. Please enter user email ID. Why the fuck do I need to have email ID here though? At the rate. Roton.me. Yeah, I could have signed in with Mastodon as well. Fuck. Let's go. Wait, no, that's not the correct. That's completely wrong. Sorry. Chewy. Profile. How can I get links? Okay, got the link. Pixel. And I think I was right, right? Yeah. Pixel Fed. Yeah, correct. And though I should create a message account for this as well. Are these links even being added? That's one loud music. Look at that. Make chat safer with Automod. Automatically improve after messages and holds and not even give a fuck. Choose your accent color. Select. No. 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 No, I just really like purple. Oh, if I had to choose a shape to create according to the account, uh, yeah, let's go to shape. I have no problem with it. So, yeah, you don't need to be completely different than everyone else for no reason. Add a short bio. Maybe if I can add another. No, you go to 7 seconds. Beyond trip. No, no, how they have fault. Short links, they should to Instagram pixel file. What else is there? YouTube, Instagram, yeah, that's it. Anyways, let's just check out this creator. We'll see where I go with that later on. That. That's all I can focus on at the moment. Too much. Mm, yeah, I need to create a master account, I was saying, right? Let's get it on here. Master. Account. You might have found out, but I use Brave because of his comment, like for Twitch and something like that. I use Mastodon because Firefox, LibreWolf, that's why. I mean, it's just a small thing. It's not a big deal, so. Create account. Yeah, I know, fuck off. Wait, didn't I create a Mastodon account? I think I did, right? Oh, I did not. Yeah, those are different accounts. Control underscore AK. Email address. Control underscore AK. At the rate proton.me. Password. I'll show you something about Mastodon. I'm sure not actually. 120 page. And it fucking accepted. And I think it might won't go any further than that. But 120. I mean, no, I should just 128 because there's a fucking limitation with the algorithm or the specific encryption method they use. I think. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not saying it's something wrong. But I think this that's the upper limit level. I'll check it later. First, I need to create a link in my Macedon vault. And someone, does anyone remember 999? Man, I fucking love 999, man. No Spotify. Master. I always get the spelling wrong. Mastodon. Mastodon. Like I pronounced it Mastodon for some reason. It's mainly because of the YouTubers, I think. Mastodon. Password. Control V. Let's see. Yeah, correct. Let's see here. Username. Control TRL underscore AK. We save. We go back. We open the another profile. Here it comes with the personality loaded. Sorry about that, guys. Login again. Keep me signed in, bro. I don't go down. I mean, I don't use professional mail as a driver because uh, I can't. Not, it's not because I can't. It's primarily because the things I need it doesn't offer without a paid subscription, which is completely fine with me. I just need to earn some money and just buy the fucking subscription. I'll just use it every day. But I fucking love Proton. But that was such yeah. And Proton is great. Like relatively speaking. I mean, it's not something like it's not an equivalent to like something like a Tor project. They're just saying we'll give you normal privacy, we'll give you what you deserve, not what you want. That's what they're saying, right? And that's completely fine with me. I mean, it's better to have that than to fucking be fucked up with Google. I mean, Google fucking reads every single mail which you send, like every single mail, bro. The complete contents are complete, and it's all stored on Google servers. I mean, just forget about rating this, storing every single, your every single. And yeah, well, I'm here, I'll just save that as well. I'll just save it permanently. Then we can control V, then again. Then we tell it what to save, it has saved the password. Until we save, we go to Mastodon, and then we delete it, goes by written free, yes. And now let's just go to Twitch. Let's just make it proper. Twitch login. Let's log into Twitch. Twitch. I spam because I don't want to manually type the URL. Twitch. Yay. Um, as you see, if you want to say fill, press fill. Control. Use underscore again. Go enter. I'll get a code. Well, that's a good thing. I need to disable that because I don't know if I'm letting codes in again. Let's reload. 577,966. Okay. 577,966. Let's say yay! And then we go here and do this, yes, and voila! Never, ever, ever. Okay, okay, logged in to Mastodon. Let's leave Twitch aside. Maybe someday we'll do anything with it. Let's play another song. And thankfully, something recording, right? Yeah. Okay. Display name. Display name. Not there. The agent. Alright, here it is. Goods. Official. Yeah, you must send that. There we go. Add the vibration. Yes, make my profile discoverable. Then we save. And what's on my mind? Hello, world. Let's post it. And we have paused. I think this is my first official post on Mastodon. Let's close that. Let's close this.